The underwater photography continues to grow in popularity, offering enthusiasts and professionals alike the chance to capture stunning images beneath the surface. To achieve optimal results, the right lighting is essential, and diving flashlights play a pivotal role. With so many options available, this guide evaluates the top diving lights based on their beam quality, brightness, durability. List number: ORCATORCH D710V MK2, 2300 lumens upgraded underwater video light, white, red, violet tricolor, 120-degree wide beam scuba flashlight. The ORCATORCH D710V MK2 stands out with its versatile tricolor lighting system, featuring white, red, and violet modes. This makes it perfect for both video and photography, offering flexibility in different underwater environments. With 2300 lumens and a 120-degree wide beam angle, it provides ample light coverage for wide-angle shots. Its compact, durable design ensures it's ready for even the harshest underwater conditions, diving up to 150 meters. The light offers multiple brightness levels and an impressive color rendering index, CRI, ensuring vibrant, true-to-life colors. The inclusion of red and violet modes is particularly useful for underwater photography, helping to reduce backscatter and improve contrast in low-light conditions. This diving light is an excellent choice for serious underwater photographers and videographers who need reliability, versatility, and superior lighting performance. List number: Dive light for underwater photography, 5000 lumens super bright diving flashlight, 100 meters waterproof underwater video light. This high-performance diving flashlight boasts an impressive 5000 lumens output, making it one of the brightest on the market. Perfect for both amateur and professional underwater photographers, it delivers superb light intensity, ensuring that your subjects are well lit even at greater depths. The 100-meter waterproof rating ensures that it's more than capable of handling deep dives. The sleek, ergonomic design allows for easy handling, and the rechargeable battery is both cost-effective and convenient. The beam can be adjusted to different angles, ensuring flexibility depending on your shot. Whether you're shooting wide-angle landscapes or focusing on smaller subjects, the adjustable beam ensures that you can achieve the perfect lighting. Ideal for photographers looking for a powerful, durable, and bright flashlight, this model offers outstanding value for those who need the best lighting for their underwater shoots. List 3. Wurkkos DL30 Dive Light Scuba Diving. Dive flashlight super bright, max 3600 lumen with 5000 K, 90 CRI, 100 meter underwater flashlight. For those seeking a high lumen flashlight with excellent color accuracy, the Wurkkos DL30 delivers. Offering a maximum of 3600 lumens, it provides a great balance between power and efficiency, making it perfect for both recreational and professional divers. With a 5000 K color temperature and a CRI of 90+, this flashlight ensures that the colors in your photos remain true to life, crucial for underwater photography where accurate color representation is key. The light also features a durable build with an impressive 100-meter waterproof depth rating. The beam is adjustable, allowing you to tailor it to the specific needs of your shot. Whether you're taking wide-angle photos or focusing on macro subjects, its lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle, and the rechargeable battery offers long-lasting performance, even during extended dives. For divers looking for a reliable and efficient flashlight, the Wurkkos DL30 provides excellent value for the price. List number: Diving light is suitable for outdoor scuba diving. 4000 LM bright diving flashlight. This compact yet powerful diving flashlight delivers an impressive 4000 lumens of brightness, making it ideal for both recreational divers and underwater photographers who need high-intensity light for their shoots. The light's beam is broad and penetrating, perfect for lighting up large areas or illuminating deep water subjects. The flashlight is designed for versatility, with a robust, waterproof construction that can withstand depths of up to 120 meters. Whether you're shooting in shallow or deep water, this light will provide consistent brightness. Additionally, the flashlight features a user-friendly interface, making it simple to adjust brightness levels and control the beam. While it doesn't have the same lumen output as some of the more advanced models, its performance at a more accessible price point makes it a great option for those looking for a solid, dependable flashlight for underwater photography. List number 5. Wurkkos DL30 Scuba Diving Light. 3000 lumens, 6500K dive light with rotary magnetic switch. IPX8 waterproof 496mm long throw 100mm underwater 3 lighting. The Wurkkos DL30 is an excellent choice for underwater photographers who need a highly durable and powerful flashlight. With a 3000 lumen output and a 6500K color temperature, it offers a crisp, bright light that brings out the true colors of underwater subjects. The long throw feature ensures that the beam reaches deep underwater, making it ideal for capturing distant subjects. One of its standout features is the rotary magnetic switch, which allows for smooth and easy operation even when wearing gloves. The IPX8 waterproof rating means it's built to withstand depths of up to 100 meters, offering unmatched reliability. The light also has 3 distinct modes, giving you more flexibility in terms of brightness and beam spread. For photographers who need precision, power, and ease of use, the Wurkkos DL30 is a top contender.